VP of Marketing Cloud of PM Web, Grazi Sbardelotto.
Hello, everyone. Boa tarde, pessoal. Welcome back for the afternoon sessions at Corporate Innovation Summit at Web Summit 2025. Today, we are going to talk a bit about how corporate innovation is working in the modern world. The combination about the human and the agents in the corporations. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Grazi Sbardelotto. I'm a partner and VP at PM Web. PM Web is part of VML and WPP Group. And besides PM Web, I'm a proud Women in Tech Web Summit ambassador. And besides Web Summit and PM Web, I'm also Ali Inclui and Follow Partners board member. About PM Web, we've been working for over 29 years with CRM, helping the biggest brands in the world to better connect with their final clients. We work closely to Salesforce, Adobe, Braze, and many other platforms to help our clients to better do this kind of connections. How do we do that? We connect a lot of data through our specialized services, such as data services, campaign services, creative services, and help our clients to do that. Also, on the corporate innovation side, we are part of WPP. And this is how WPP is approaching the AI and the agents today. WPP created the biggest AI hub in the world for marketing. So all of our 130,000 people have been using on daily basis our WPP Open, which is this powerful AI hub to create images, copywriting, videos, narrations, synthetic personas, and much more. But OK, we are not here to talk about PM Web. Let's talk about the human and the agent corporation. So the hybrid work today is not about office or home office. It's about the humans and the agents working together to create a better connection with their final clients. And there are two ways how corporate companies are now approaching AI. The first one is to boost internal productivity. And the second one is bring more efficient customer services to their clients through agents. Before we get started on how they are doing that, I strongly recommend you to download the VML Future 100 study. This study brings a lot of trends on how consumers are behaving and the most interesting trends in the world today. I brought 3 trends from this study to you. The first one is about the creator economy. It's how the human taste is important in this AI world. And we see that the future belongs to those who can filter noise and define authenticity. Nowadays, everybody can create music, everybody can create some artwork. And what is the difference between the creators and the curators nowadays? So a lot of people that nowadays might be creating artwork or music, for example, through AI, they might be called creators or they might be called curators. What do you think? In practice, how are we approaching that in our daily basis? This is a case that is super nice from our client Chevrolet, and we are using agents together with our team to increase creativity. These 2 agents, they work together. So the first one is a social listening agent. So it goes to the social media of our client, reads everything that people are saying. In this specific example, people in Colombia, which we, PM Web, don't have a team there, but we work for them from Brazil, are saying that they want to know how they can travel with their pets in the car, right? And this agent brings some information to our other agent, which is the CRM specialist. The CRM specialist then helps to create CRM campaigns for this client. So there is a bit of a change on how we used to work before and how we work now. The traditional workflow would be do a manual brief. Today, of course, we will use transcript to do some briefs. We can ask the agent to do the brief for us and just make some corrections if it's needed. Then we'll do some manual research and then build and then do the quality assurance. Today, the flow with the agents, it's much more interesting and much more productive. We do the social listening through the agents. Then we have a bunch of ideas from the CRM specialists. Then, of course, we still build with our team. And we use, again, AI to do the quality assurance. So this is how we created this campaign for our clients in Colombia, putting together creating some images that we didn't even have them. They were not shooted. We just have the image of the car, of the pet, of the family, and we put everything together to create this new campaign. It's how human and agentic are driving more and more creativity. The second one is about made by humans, and how the humans, the competition between humans and AI is heating up in the creativity battle. And 76% of people, they believe that technology will never take creativity away from humanity. 53% of people say they would be disappointed if they found out that the brand had used AI to make an ad. And this is how another client of us is approaching that. It's not only about using AI without the humans. It's about using AI to empower the humans. So Sephora is not only bringing personalized experience to their clients through CRM, for example, but they are also bringing personalized experience in store, empowering their salespeople with a lot of technology, for example, for this foundation match. And the third one is about shared realities. Shared realities is when we don't even know if it's real or if it's AI or if it's technology. 71% of people believe that in the future, the line between what is human and what is technology will be blurred. 36% of people say that they could see themselves falling in love with a chatbot or AI. And for Gen Z and millennials, this is even higher. And 14% of people say they would like to have an avatar chatbot based on personality of a loved one who has passed. That's interesting, right? And I brought to you a few examples. The first one is Luisa from Magazine Luiza, the Lu, for those who are Brazilians, and the extremely interesting experience that they are bringing to their clients with conversational commerce with Luisa. You don't even know if you're talking to a real Luisa or a agent Luisa, right? The other examples that we can bring is like Cloud, where you can do a lot of transcription, and probably some of you might be using here. They have their booths here. You can do a lot of transcriptions, and maybe you are in a meeting and you don't even know that this is being transcribed, right? And the other one is, of course, the Meta glasses. Everybody might have heard about the Meta glasses. And the Meta glasses, yesterday we were discussing about how our agents are going to network. And maybe our agents are going to network online, and then when we see each other in person, we're going to use the Meta glasses to get the information. Why not? And the other example that I'd like to bring you here, it's about Ali and Chloe. As I mentioned before, I am advisor for this startup, and they bring the possibility of people who are blind to get the labels read through voiceover. So it's very interesting how they are using AI and technology to bring people that couldn't be able to read information that they really needed. And they are partnering with Nestlé. They've been part of MasterChef Brazil, which is super interesting, this kind of startup that helps people to have better lives, right? So to wrap up our conversation here, it's very important to remember that good AI is invisible, but bad AI is unforgettable. And that's why we should try to be more and more invisible on our AI use than showing people that we are actually using AI, right? I'm leaving you again the study. I strongly recommend you to download this study. It's really interesting, a lot of information, 100 different trends, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. Please get in touch with me. Feel free to reach me out on LinkedIn, and I will be super happy to continue this conversation with you later today. Just before I go, tomorrow at 2 p.m. at the community space, we'll have this incredible panel with the Women in Tech ambassadors, Simone, Rita Pissarras, and Laura, about our Women in Tech study that we've done with Web Summit, and there is a lot of trends that I totally recommend you to watch. Here is the full agenda that we have today. I hope you stay with us for the whole afternoon. And now, let me call the first speakers. Our first session is about artificial intelligence and how it's rapidly reshaping how businesses are conceived, built, and scaled. From streamlined operations and accelerating product innovation to redefine value creation in private markets. How can you use it to transform your business effectively? Please welcome to the stage Manav Gupta and Nick Lamb in conversation with Nuno Matheus Coelho.